Hillsborough Tower, helicopter 44 Yankee Alpha.
Got 44 Yankee Alpha, Hillsborough Tower, standby. Says 51 Lima, fly straight out, contact tower 132.8.
Straight out and 132.8 for long.
Cessna 30 Lima, verify 1,200.
Affirmative, 1,200 for 30 Lima.
Cessna 30 Lima, roger. Turn to the downwind. Traffic will be departing the ramp southbound, then east, out of below 700 helicopter.
30 Lima.
Copter 4 Yankee Alpha traffic. Entering the left downwind Cessna 1,200. Maintain out of below 700. Southbound departure estimate, then east approved.
Helicopter 44 Yankee Alpha, southbound departure, then east, S1 on, and we'll be keeping an eye out for the traffic.
Copter 705 My Golf, widen out. The Cessna is ahead and to your right on a wider downwind. Altitude, you're maintain out above 1,200.
Alright, out above 1,200, widening out. On my golf.
Cessna 30 Lima, number 2, follow Bellanca on a wide left base over TV Highway, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Okay, number 2, clear to land, 31 left, 30 Lima.
Cessna 30 Lima, maintain at above 1,200 till turning final.
At above 1,200 till turning final, 30 Lima.
King Air, 2 Echo Mike, turn left Alpha 4, contact ground point 7.
Alpha 4, ground point 7, 2 Echo Mike.
24 Tower 6949824, over the first Gulf, 1,800 feet, request for full stop, information, Mike.
Cessna 49824, Hillsborough Tower, enter left downwind, runway 31 left, report midfield.
Left down in 3 left to Cessna 49824.
Cessna 824, information Mike, current wind 030 at 4, altimeter 3012.
3012, 49824.
Yeah, Tower, 5 Mike Golf, got that Cessna passing off our left.
5 Mike Golf, roger, following that Cessna.
Caution for a flock of large birds over the fairgrounds northbound, approximately 300 feet.
Cessna 30 Lima, do you have the Bellanca in sight, short final?
30 Lima has traffic.
Cessna 30 Lima, helicopter traffic, no factor, altitude or discretion. Number 2, runway 3 left, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, 30 Lima.
Block 17 Echo, those birds are just off your left, same altitude, you have them in sight?
I have them in sight. Birds no factor, 17 Echo.
Roger.
705 Mike Golf, altitude, your discretion. 705 Mike Golf, disregard. The helicopter's off your left, following TV Highway eastbound. Maintain out of 1,200 till turning final.
Alright, calling back up 1,200 until final. 5 Mike Golf.
Helicopter 4 Yankee Alpha traffic, heading to your right, Seminole on a wide left base.
Helicopter 4 Yankee Alpha looking for traffic.
Geese.
Bellanca 17 Echo, turn left Alpha 5, contact ground point 7.
Alpha 5 ground, 17 Echo.
And Tower is 5 Mike Golf number 1 for